Today we got the Chevy Malibu LT. This is going to be 2015 to present model, 2020-ish. What we're doing today is we're replacing the transmission on it. We got the transmission right there. It's a good used transmission. The torque converter is right here. And we got two jacks underneath there. I'll show you what we did so that you know that you could do this at your house as well. So we already took off the subframe and the front exhaust. Front exhaust is right here. This is the whole subframe, and we left the spindles connected in the lower control arms. All we had to do was disconnect the radiator from the front. We disconnected the rack and pinion and the sway bar links from here, and we left it connected at the steering column. We got our calipers bungeed up, and we got the two jacks underneath just as precaution, because we still have our mount right here for the top of the transmission, and we also got our motor mount still attached up here. So technically we don't need the jacks right now. And what we have here holding the sway bars, this is still attached to this rack and pinion. We got it connected into our strut. Since the strut is up there, that's holding up the rack, so the rack doesn't get damaged, the calipers don't get damaged. Well, you also got to take the starter out.